Sairam, dear children, wish you a very good morning and I hope you all are well. So children, today the last topic of our chapter Vaishali Vaji state. Okay, so we are going to discuss this. Before that we will start our prayer. Just join your hands and close your eyes. Sai Ram. So children, let's start Vaishali Vaji state. What was that? Okay. Vaishali or the Vaji state, the most powerful republic kingdom at the time of Mahajanpadas. Monarchy wished to increase their power and empire by occupying the surrounding territories. And the monarch kingdom wants to occupy the surrounding kingdoms, and saying these Lichvis, Vaji, Gyatuk, Videha, Shakya, Mala, these are the group of some kingdom who unite together and form Vaishali Vaji state. Vaishali was the capital of the Lichvis, was the main center of this union state, and it was the capital of Lichvis, and they made it the center of this union state, and this union state of 8 or 9 kingdoms is known as Vaishali Vaji state. And it was named Republic of Vaishali, and the name of Vaishali was Republic of Vaishali. The state of administration of the republic was governed by the Sabha. The officials were today we are having parliament. At that time the officials sit in the Sabha and take decisions. Because of this it was called republic, and due to this type of administrative system it is known as republic, where all person together sit and then they take decision. In the republic, all the power of the house rested in the hand of all the members, and all the members, those who are members of Sabha, have power to make decisions. All the members sat in Sabha, and all the affair passed in the house by vote or unanimity. Means voting was done, that who were agree and who were not agree. The place where meeting was held is known as sanctum, and the place where this Sabha is organized is known as sanctum. The elderly as well as youth were selected as the member of the state assembly. Elders and youth both are selected as the member of assembly. There is no discrimination on the basis of age, and the Republicans elect their presidents for the state administration, and all the people elect their president for the state administrator, who was chosen by elections. Okay, elections were held at that time. In the republic, each member was considered as the king, and each and every member is behaving as a king. Republic had their own councils, in which important issues like administration, defense, war, treaty, etc. were discussed and then decided. And their councils for different subjects like defense, war and treaty are made, and on various discussion they decided what they have to do. Any member could enjoy membership for a fixed time only. Like today in the membership of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, time is fixed, same as in the Republican state of Vaji Vaishali Sangh is also fixed. An executive committee assisted the president of the republic in the administration of state. Today, as our prime minister have a council of ministers who help him to take decisions, same as the time in that time the president of the republican has an executive committee who assist them and advise them. Social life and the state administration of republic state. What was their social life? According to the archaeologists, people of this time lived in simple houses, and they do pastoral activities, matlab pashupalak. At this time, crops like wheat, rice, barley, sugarcane, sesame, mustard, cereals were grown. People might have been using clay vessels, especially because archaeologists have found some of these vessels. They are using clay vessels, and these painted vessels are found by archaeologists in the archaeological sites. Okay, some of the pottery found at the time had drawings on them. Okay, and the utensils were painted in gray color. Gray color is used in painting, and drawings are made on them. So, at this time, ruler of every state did every possible thing for the defense of his state, and each and every state ruler is trying to defend his state. For this reason, strong and high forts were built. Okay, so strong and high forts were built, and plenty of stones and bricks were used, and the some of the king used to build large, tall, magnificent wall around their kingdom and showcase their power and prosperity. And kings like to make a large, huge, tall walls, strong walls to show their power. And the brick wall was from Prayagraj, dates back to around 2500 years ago. The brick wall made in the Prayagraj was 2500 year ago old. Okay, so we can say that the forts with high walls might have been constructed at this time, and the fort with high walls were constructed in the Mahajanpad times. Okay, all the Mahajanpadas of this time needed a large army and strong fort for their defense. They need large army and strong forts. Okay, people were taxed to meet their needs. Okay, they put taxes on people. Farmers used to give sixth part of their yield, and 1/6 of the total yield farmer gives to the treasury. Okay, the artisan used to work for the state, and one day in a month, free for one day in a month. The artisans used to work for the state, but for one day in a month they work for free. Cattle rearers gave cattle as a part of tax, and cattle rearer gave one or two cattle as the part of their tax, and the merchant used to pay tax on the sales of good, and the merchants according to their sales pay the tax. During the period of Mahajanpada, agriculture started to improve due to the iron tools, and iron tools were invented, and due to which the agriculture improved. Mahavir, Swami, Gautam Buddha both were vendered in these republics at the pedestrians, and Buddhist and the Jain scriptures gives us information about these republics. In all these republics, Mahavira and Gautam Buddha vendered. Okay. Since Mahatma Buddha was born during the era of republic, the era is known as Buddhist era, and at the other place in the world, the way in which the cities of Sparta, Athens, Rome, Greece, etc. are described as democratic states in the whole world. Okay, so this chapter is completed, and we will soon discuss the question answer. Okay children, take care, have a nice day, bye.